Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see your debit card transaction history on Revolut. Very easy, let me show you step by step. Just open up the Revolut application and go to the home page, which is right here. On the home page, go to the top right corner and click here. When you click that, this is going to open up your cards menu where you can see all your debit cards on Revolut. And from here, you can just basically select the card that you want to check the transaction history of, and you will find the transactions here, the three recent transactions. But if you tap on see all, you will find all the previous transactions. As you can see, for each month, these are all my transactions all the way back to the day when you created your card. But as you can see, there are quite a lot of them. So yeah, this is how you can check it. If this video was helpful for you, please consider sending a super thanks donation.